To switch back to a personal account on Instagram, first open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the section labelled For Professionals and tap Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls, depending on what your account shows. Then scroll to the bottom of that screen, tap Switch Account Type, tap Switch to Personal Account and confirm. And once it switches, go back to Settings and Privacy, tap Account Privacy and turn on Private Account if you also want your personal account to be private. If you do not see Switch Account Type or For Professionals, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play and try again, because Instagram has recently moved professional tools into that For Professionals section, and some users only see the option after updating the app or waiting for a temporary bug to be fixed. If this helped you switch back to a personal account on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop a comment if it worked on your phone, and tell me what other Instagram or tech tutorials you want next, so I can make more fast, straight to the point videos for you.